What's up guys, I'm a Shopify developer from Germany and super often I do get asked by my clients to build them FAQ pages and sections like this one. Just gonna show you real quick how this whole thing works. You can scroll through those tabs right here and as you can see it's pretty dope looking because you have the background image as well. And yeah, I mean it's always good business for me and I can charge my hourly rate of $100, but in reality you don't really need me for that and you can do it way cheaper all by yourself, and I'm gonna show you in a few easy steps how it's done. So yeah, let's get right into it. Me and many other developers, it's a component library with over 300 fully customizable Shopify exclusive components. And the one we will be having a look at today is called FAQ 10. That is the one. And like I said already, instead of having to pay super expensive developer fees like mine, you can simply get it for $9 all for yourself and you own this whole thing. And you have all the customization options in the world. So I do think that's a pretty sweet deal. Just head back to the My Sections area of the app and there you can simply add it to the theme you're using. In my case, it is the Dawn Light theme, but it does work on every theme. So nothing you have to worry about here. Then simply just open up the theme editor right there. And I already did some work myself. And that is a similar one to the one you saw in the beginning of the video. And I'm going to walk you completely through this. Just for your understanding, I created an extra page here, just all the way down there. And then I typed in FAQ and just assigned it to a separate FAQ page. So that's how I got this one, but you can implement it wherever you want. So yeah, the base version is going to be something similar to that. I already removed some blocks and now I want to add a couple more. So the first thing I would like to show you is how you can add that image. So here you can already see the FAQ, frequently answered questions. That's something you could do, for example. So excuse any typos I'm making right here. You can change the heading size as well. Of course, the whole thing is fully responsive and also optimized for that. So that's something you don't have to worry about neither. Let's switch back to that. You can change the whole aligning. Maybe you want to have it centered, whatever you want to name it. And if I scroll down a little bit more, I should be able to find the background image selection right here. And here I could just replace it with another picture of my library, but I am pretty happy with this one. So yeah, I can decide if it's going to be full width or not. So here we can see a little border, which is going to get added, but we want to keep it full width. And now I'm going to explain you how the whole block and tab system works. So if I click on add block right here, I can either decide if it's going to be a new tab or a new item. And here you can see the tab and the items underneath it. So if I start a new tab right here, I'm just going to show you how it works. A new tab will get added. I'm just going to name this one example. And if I add another block, actually an item, and name this one example 1, answer 1, it is simply going to get added underneath the next tab in that whole collection right here. So here I can see example, and if I would drag it underneath that, so it's belonging to this one, the whole thing would be here. So I do hope you get the whole idea behind it, and that's pretty much how all the blocks and items are structured in this whole thing. Let's just save it all up, have a final look at it in the live version, and then we can round this bad boy up already. So open up the editor, look for the FAQ page. I don't have it in my navigation, but I'm just gonna find it like this. And yeah, like I showed you already, we added it to this one. And yeah, you can do a lot more customizations than I already showed you, like changing all the colors of the items, the blocks, the fonts, whatever you name it. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a brief overview and give you a quick idea of how this whole thing works. And yeah, hope you guys found it useful. If you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.